We'll get some.
Huh?
Because we'd never be able to get to see that. We'd have to go to
You got my bag.
Oh, wow. Do you see him, Dad?
Yes. Yes.
Look, he's relaxing on his arm. What? Ouch, ouch.